case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Bank of America found itself at odds with Colonial Bank over a withholding of mortgage loans and their proceeds valued at over $1 billion, a battle that led to a much-contested lawsuit. Bank of America launched the lawsuit, asserting that Colonial had no right to withhold these assets. In response to Bank of America's legal bid, the district court initially sided with the multinational bank, issuing an injunction against Colonial to put a stop to any disposal of the loans and proceeds. However, the dynamic of the case soon shifted when the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, was appointed as the Colonial's receiver. The FDIC challenged this ruling, arguing that the court had overstepped its jurisdiction. The district court rejected these protests and instead shifted the injunction against the FDIC. The case escalated when it reached the appeals court, which sided with the FDIC. They concluded the district court lacked the jurisdiction to issue the preliminary injunction, a decision that firmly placed Bank of America's claims into the realm of Section 1821J, a provision of FIRREA that states the court cannot prevent the FDIC from executing their duties as a receiver. Bank of America's argument that the disputed assets were custodial assets, unowned by Colonial, did not change the appeal court's decision either. The court brushed off the bank's claim, ruling that it could not create a non-owned assets exception. Interestingly, the court maintained that the FIRREA's administrative claims process was the ideal avenue for Bank of America to challenge Colonial's actions, shutting down any suggestion that this process was ill-equipped to adjudicate their claim. As a result of these developments, the district court's preliminary injunction order against the FDIC was vacated, burying Bank of America's appeal. It became clear that FIRREA's administrative claims process was the next step for Bank of America, with the federal court now off the table due to the lack of jurisdiction. While the decision was ultimately dismissed, the case offered valuable insights into the reach of FIRREA's provision and the court's jurisdiction.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.